This 2026 K-Z Sportsmen SE 291 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, air conditioning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.